All right, welcome back. While after we've done what we've done, we can see that our website is this beautiful. We would also like to customize it. What this video will be all about is customization. Want to customize it to become our own. And one of the things that I do is we can see that this is a rental where they rent out cars. I can change mine to houses. Yeah, houses instead of cars because I don't know much about cars, but I might know much about house or whatever it is. Whatever it is, you can customize it to whatever you want. All right. So in case you have closed this part of the site because this is very close to our backend, we can come here and click on dashboard and go back to the backend. But in case you've closed maybe your laptop off or something, come back to Pantheon.io, click on login, and then you need to open up your site right here. I'm showing you these things, how to navigate this Pantheon.io so that you get used to it. Come to site, and then this is your site. So you click on it again. Your site might not be Nebula, just like mine. Yours could be Godwin. Yours could be Razak or something like that. Um, Razak, Razak Agency, for instance. All right. So you click on this site admin. So it will open the backend for you right here. So open the backend for you right here. So the backend is this. So if you want to visit the site, click on, just come over here, right click, and then open a new tab. So you see the site, you see your site here, you see your site here. Good. So now let's go back to the dashboard. The dashboard is where we have a lot of things. Now we have images. If you click on media, you will see some default images that has been imported into our site. These are the images used on this website that we're looking at. Just 28 images, which is not bad. All right, so we can add more. You can add more images here by clicking on add new. I just want to show you more things that have been added. So we click on post, you see that hello. Let's view it. So you see that some default things has been added. This is a post. Let's look at pages. Click on pages. You see about us has been added. Contact us has been added. Home has been added. Of course, home. Home is this place. This one right here. This is home. This is our home. Our fleet, privacy policy, sample pages. You can delete this services. So let's look at our about us and just for a moment. So this about us. We can edit all these things at our own time. All right. Let's look at our fleets. Click on view. Right click. Open a new tab. Our fleets. So these are the cars they have available and all that. Okay, good. So now we have so many pages right here. All right. Um, we don't. What I want to show you basically is how to edit your homepage. How to edit this homepage. And if you want to open this, this is where you can open it from here. Just click on edit it Elementor. Right click and edit it Elementor. You can do that. Yeah, let's close some of these tabs. Let's close this. You can edit it here by clicking edit it Elementor, or what we did right here by edit it element. It's also the same. And I can click on this edit it Elementor right here and it will do the same thing. So let's wait for it to load up. All right, so we can click on this navigator. So it's showing you that you can edit the body. All right, the first thing I want to change is the image at the background. I would leave this agency site the way it is, renting of cars. let's just leave it the way it is. But first off, I want to change this image at the background. So I'll click on this six dots here, come to style, and then this is the image. I want to change it. So I click on change image, click on free, and then click on cars. I want cars to be there. So I'll click on download. The cars that I want, I'll download it. Like this as well. Download it. So you change it to this. You change it to this. But the second thing is I want this car, not just one car. I don't want one car. I don't want one car to be here. Do you understand what I mean? I want multiple cars to be here. So it's like a slideshow. I want a slideshow to be here. So I'll come here. Instead of gradient, instead of video, I'll click on slideshow. So now it will give me option to add more images to that. So I'll select this and select this. And then maybe select this. Maybe just three is fine for now. And then maybe select this. Oh, select this. I can choose as many as I want. The more I select, the better for us. So fleet of I just you can change some of these things if you like for SEO purposes. Well, that's another video. So click on create new gallery. So all these images are the images that will be showing on the in our homepage. So click on insert gallery. Wait for it to load and then you see them in action. So it will take 500 milliseconds for it to change. You see that it's just changed. I like to leave all these things as default. But Kent Bonds effect is also okay because and lazy load helps our site to load faster sometimes, and also but I won't use lazy load. Let's use Ken's Bond effect. You see, Ken's Bond effect will make it, slowly move to the next image, slowly, as if the image, the images are moving. They are not moving. It's just an effect. It's just an effect. So I like that. Or you can choose out, but I prefer the in. Let's just update. Anytime you click on update, you have saved what you have done. You have saved your project. You have saved your project. So instead of saying we rent limousines, we'll say simple. And this we can take it out by clicking on this delete. You take it out. You might not need it. Well, for me, I don't need it. So if I want to reduce this text, I can come here and just style it up. You can style some of these things the way we want it. Click on size, if you want it small, to be small, you want it medium, to be medium. But then let's just leave it as default, all right? Let's leave it as default for now. So that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. So our fleets, we have over 25 limousines. We can just double click on it and then it will show you the text right here. So you can edit it right here or edit it right here. So we have fleet of over 25 million, 25 limousine ready for instead of cars, just limousine, just put cars. 25. And just say 250 luxury cars ready for rentals. All right. So after that is done, we can leave all these things the way they are. If you want to edit, just click. You see, you can just change it to maybe 400 per hour. Change this and all that. The name of the car, you can just change them if you feel like changing them. All right. So that's that. If you want to change this as well, just click and then change it. So you are done with that. So The next section of this website is about the company, which is super fantastic because it just gives a brief summary of what the site is all about. We make sure that your your every trip is comfortable, which is a good one. Right here, I'll click on it. If I want to delete everything right here, I'll just click here. Just click here or here, depending on what I want. So, but I want to edit this, so I'll just highlight everything and then say what I do and who we've rented to. Um, we have we have drivers who are professionals with tons of experience. So this is something simple. You can make it better if you want. So read more read more. This is a button. This is a button. Remember, a button is something that makes you read more about the company. So we can put a link here after creating a page. We'll come back to that later on. So we want to change this image right here. So you just click on it. You see the change, choose image, just change it. Make it something nice and catchy. So let's use this man for instance. Or we can just click on free image. Said um brown skin car. It's a brown skin. Okay, let's say woman woman car, something like that. Ha. So I want a woman who is smiling. I can use this, but I want somebody who's smiling so that it looks catchy. Exactly. I need something like this. Oops, I lost it. Yes, this. So bang is right there. So I can make, because I don't want the text to be interfering with the face of the woman, I can make this smaller. Make it smaller by making it H3, H4, or let's leave it at H2. Then centralize, or no, do this way. I can also okay, now I'm do something right now. Okay. Alright, so I want to make this smaller. Come to style, typography, and change the family to something else. right? So let's just make it smaller by using this. Oh, but this is not too good. Medium, not too good. Large, not too good. Extra large, not too good. Maybe we should just change the color of the text instead of. I don't want it to interfere with the image, but I can't just remember how to reduce that. Okay, let's just change the color of the image. Maybe make it oops, black. No, 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 no. White. So we can update that. I think the we can also make this image a little bit blurry. Can you know? I mean, not too blurry, so that our text can appear. The image could just be a bit. Image could just be a bit. May not be that sharp. So let's take it down a bit. Ha. So we know that our text are sharp. Image, the opacity is low, so that our image can appear and all that. So the next thing we want to do, you know, for limousine, we can change this to just not just limousine. For limousine and other luxury cars such as Benz, um, Bugatti, Ferrari, and more, just for your. We offer limousine and other luxury cars such as Benz, Bugatti, Ferrari, and more just for you. Okay, we can leave that like that. And if you want to change the background, I mean the see the wheel at the background, you can come over here, right click, right click on it. It will show you edit section. We come to style or here, background overlay may not be there. Let's do it again. uh Once you click on that, it will change the image right here, or come in here and change the image right here, background overlay. But I think it's okay. So we leave it right like that. Our services could be changed. You can make it better. Night parties, weddings, casino, and all that. These are the places people then change all these things to whatever we want to do. You can see testimonials. You can change all the testimonials here, and the text and the text and the text and what have you. All right, so update every changes you make. Do your best to update it. That's how to save it. I'll see you in the next video.